Peace, healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? Felt this up. Nighttime video. We not just talking, we actually living it. It's a great grandiose day. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, daily uploads. Still aiming for 5 uploads a day, most definitely. We got that right now. But you guys are witnessing it. Almost got it, but especially for this month. But this is previously recorded, so y'all gonna see it when y'all see it. That's when I say, it's had to bulk up because I think, we had to catch up. We got to catch up with the uploads. We still gonna be doing daily content. It's just we've been giving y'all so much. Even sometimes like 8 uploads, 10 uploads, 11 uploads a day. That is. So it's like shoot, you dig. But yeah, like I was saying, man, you guys book a consultation, send an email at info@healingthroughinspiration. With the subject matter coaching, or you can just DM us on Instagram at Healing Through Inspiration. If you're following us there, make sure you guys give it our apparel. We got it at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. As long as our American meaning, and one-of-a-kind artwork. A lot of great things there. Make sure you go with our courses too if you guys want to start a business. If you do have a business and you further want to enhance yourself, or you don't have a business and you further and you want to start one, we have the course down in the description box below for you. So yeah, but man, feels like right now I'm outside, bro. Feels like kind of soothing. You dig? It's the breeze. It's like not too cool, but it's like got a little bit of humidity. Almost feels like you came out the pool, but it's not warm. You know what I'm saying? That's the best way I could describe it. But yeah, as I was saying, man, we gotta make more videos. Gotta get to filming more. It's been times I wanted to film more, but certain places were occupied, and I had to do other things at certain times or whatever. And I'm just kind of like too. And this is kind of like doing this stuff. We've been uploading like 8 videos, 11, 5 videos. Aiming for at least 5 videos a day. It's been a lot. It's really been a lot. I feel like we've been, we were doing it, and when we don't, we catch up. We catch up because right now I'm catching up from other days that's been stacked up where I did 8 because I had to catch up from 10 or whatever, stuff like that. And then it's like, but it's like we're still going at it. We're still got it. We're still uploading. I think this is really going to show great progress and showing that we can get things done. I really feel like we gotta bulk up more, get more content, And it's like there's a lot of other stuff I want to do, but it's like I've been doing this, and as well, I'm gonna be completely, try to be thorough. And honestly, I've gotten distracted. I've literally been getting distracted, and I noticed that my distraction comes up when I'm stressed, because you guys know there's a lot of stress. There's a lot of stress as far as trying to move and all this stuff, and I'm just kind of. It is just like being around people like this. It's not really welcome. And then I'm moving. I think I'm trying to move into. I'm trying to move into like a house, man. I don't want to be in an apartment. I've lived in an apartment before, and one of the things about an apartment is just like, because I told you I lived in an apartment. I didn't think I got to tell you, but now I'm about to tell you. And I lived in an apartment. Before, I was in Michigan. I was in apartments in Michigan, in like extended stay. But this one I was in an apartment in Michigan. So, man, pardon me. I was going to school. I was going to school, and when I was going to school, the thing is, I was in nursing school. I'll be the first one to class, and I'll be the last one to leave the school. Not the last one to just leave the class, the last one to leave the school. It was to the point where the janitor, he would have to walk in and put the keys, lock the door, just let me know that he was locking the door. The door's gonna be locked when it closes. You dig what I'm saying? That's how it was. I was the last one to leave. You feel me? So, and just that I spent so much time there. Then on my weekends, I spent time even on my weekends, I spent time coming to school and whatnot. And then it happened. I was at my other school too, but this is another school. But but I did spend times at the weekend. I didn't spend the weekends at this school as well. The one that when I was staying in an apartment. And when I was staying there, let me walk. Let me walk. So then when I was staying there, it was like, you know, looking at him, looking. But when I was staying there, I was waiting on. But yeah, like I said, when I was staying there, and then I think one time I get when I go to my apartment or something, I get some type of letter or something like, oh, some noise complaint, and I'm like, huh? Noise complaint? What the freak you talking about noise? But I'm barely in this bit, and I'm just like, what are you talking about? And then when I said it, because I got it, my biological father, who's a narcissist, he's like, oh yes, use the noise complaint because you playing too much, you too loud, I'm like, what the frick are you talking about? No, the frick I'm not. How the frick you gonna tell me? He don't even believe his own son. He don't even believe his own son. You know what I'm saying? This guy don't even believe his own son. He's sitting there talking about, he said, man, you loud because you playing that game. And I'm just, what the frick? I'm like, no, it's not. And I'm like, and then I'm having to fight with my own parents in order to get them to believe me. They're not, they still don't even support their own son. Even if they do, because if they do support you, it's for manipulation tactics, negative manipulation tactics, of course, control. And so yeah, man. Y'all niggas see the feathers. Oh, hold on. What a feather? There. Yeah, y'all niggas see the feathers. Feathers up. But so so then he like, anyways, so what I was saying was, oh yeah, I got the noise complaint, and then he's like, and then my biological father's like, yeah, it is the noise. And I'm like, what the frick are you talking about? He just does anything to go against me. Saying anything to go against me. You're not even going to defend your son. And so then when we did go down to the office about the noise complaint, I think they told us, they said something like, oh, y'all, he said, oh yeah, it sounded like there was like two people, because they wouldn't tell us who it was. It's like, it sounded like there's like two people upstairs, and you guys are like, I don't know, fighting or moving up and down. I'm like, there ain't nobody else in my room. What the hell are you talking about? I'm in school. I'm basically like I'm a full-time student. Like and I spend my weekends and stuff at the school when I can. So I'm like, what are you talking about? I'm barely even here. I really just came to my place in order to sleep there, lay down, lay my head, fret, and cook. Cook and eat. That's it. That's about it. Other than that, I was not whatchamacallit. You know what? I was not, how you say, what they call. Really, that's all I was used for. So I'm like, for them just to say that, it was just like, and so then when they came down there, they said, okay, you want me to, and they showed me this paperwork, and they actually, even though I didn't do the sign, the noise complaint, the actual noise complaint or whatever, because they wouldn't tell me who it was, even though they asked us, but they still wanted you to sign for something. And I said, what the frick? You want me to sign just to let you know we showed you? I don't even think I signed it the first time, and I think the second time around, it's loud if y'all haven't noticed. So I think the second time around, it was like, we want you to come down just to make sure we explain things, and they wanted me to sign things, and I'm like, yo, what the frick? I'm like, yo, that's some BS. I mean, next time I wouldn't sign nothing. I wouldn't sign nothing, y'all. I wouldn't sign that BS. Frick. I wouldn't sign it. I wouldn't have my son sign it either, or my daughter. You dig? Sign some BS, and that kind of goes too as well with, because I just thinking about it, because when I told you the story, how I got wrongfully fired at Starbucks, wanted me to sign a paper that said something that I said something about a rape or something. I don't play about no rape. Yeah, I know I'm a rape survivor. I spoke about it. My biological mother is a rapist. She raped me. She molested me, molested my half-sister. Well, I seen it, yeah, that molestation, telling her to pull her pants down. And then, yeah, anyways. It's just excuses. This girl was like freaking 15, 16 or something, to having her do that. Freaking bitch. My half sister, she's not innocent because she molested me. You guys not spoke on that. I speak on that for people who not able to speak about it, because it's something especially that does go on, and especially for us, doesn't get expressed, especially for males. People don't like to speak on that. So yeah, for sure. My half brother, he won't admit it. It's just too much of a bitch. So pretty much, pretty much cut my family off. I'm about to cut. I don't even talk to my biological father. It's just we're just in the same location. Other than that, at the moment, but it's like, other than that, I could care less for him. But yeah, that's just what it is. I just wanted to stress that to y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all had any experiences? What was your crazy experience you had in apartments? You know what I'm saying? If you do have an apartment, why and whatnot. And we want the bigger land because we want to grow our own food and whatnot. So hey, got the soil and whatnot. But let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You guys want to book a one consultation, you can do that by sending us a DM at healingthroughinspiration on Instagram. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, all that great stuff. Check out our courses and check out our links in the description box. Peace, love, and light, all right?